3, 2, 1, go. Okay, hey. Can you hear me? We're rolling? Yeah. Okay, so we're at Izzy's house. It's like 1 o'clock, and he didn't pick me up from school today. So we're at his house right now, and we're gonna go wake him up. Yeah, revenge, yeah.
What are you guys doing?
That's so funny, dude.
I did! Go, just rip, shred.
What the fuck, dude? Don't we have practice? Not now.